Welcome, we're the AC Ductologists. We've been serving Broward, Dade, and Palm Beach for several years. The services we offer are residential and commercial AC repairs, AC installations, duct repairs, duct installations, duct cleanings, and also installations. If you're having AC or duct problems, just give us a call and we'll send out one of our estimators for a free estimate to take care of your needs. We provide high quality service and we use only the finest materials and products. All right, we do things a little bit differently. Once you agree upon a quote, we'll come and we'll measure up your house and we'll put it on a computer program so we can put the perfect size duct in your house. That way you have a balanced airflow throughout the home. Let me introduce you to part of our residential team. This is Josh.
Residential Operations Manager.
This is Julio.
Residential Foreman.
And this is Antoine.
Residential Lead Technician.
A lot of our installs, we're installing new linear grills. They give you a more modern look and a better airflow throughout the home. Compared to the old grills, aren't as appealing and don't give you the same airflow. Besides AC installs, we also offer maintenance. This will prolong the life of your unit and also make sure your AC doesn't go down when you need it the most. Thank you for checking us out. If you have any more questions, visit us at theacductologist.com.
Hope to hear from you soon.